Hey guys, okay, so in this week's video I'm going to give you a run through of the 3 different ways to fast forward or rewind a song during DJing. Now I've already ran you through this in my video called Your First 10 Minutes on DJ Decks, but I actually just wanted to go in just for those people out there who are just new to DJing decks and they're just like, how do you go about just getting to the right point of the song that you want? I guess there's actually 4. Now I use a program called Serato. Now if you have a song loaded on Serato, the first thing you can actually do is actually just click on the song here and drag it to the point you want it to be with your mouse. So you just get the song and you can drag it to where you want it to be. Now obviously you're not going to want to do that while the song is actually running because it would just sound really terrible. So you would only ever do this with the song that you are currently queuing up. Okay, so if one song's playing out to your audience and you've got this other song which you're queuing up, you can actually grab it and get it to the point you want it to be on the screen like this. Now the other thing you can do is, if you just wanted to use the DJ decks, is you can put your finger on this tracker here and this will go to different points of the song. So as I move my finger along here, this will take me to the end of the song, the beginning of the song, the middle of the song, and you can see this here. So watch, if I go to the beginning of the song, I'm there, track to the end of the song along here, and you get to the end over there, or you can go to the middle of the song. So if you decide, I know that the drop comes here and I really want to be at that point, the good way to do it is to just kind of guesstimate where it's going to be, and you'll see on the screen, you'll see the little white cursor going to wherever your finger is. You see it there? So you can get it quickly to that point. So that's one way to do it. Put your finger on the trackpad and go to the right part of the song quickly. Okay, so that's one way to go fast forward or rewind on a song. The second way to do it is to literally put your finger on the trackpad like this, or on the actual deck, sorry, and actually just move it. If you see, well, let me turn the volume down because that's really loud. You see as you go back, it goes rewind or fast forward. So what I find by doing quite a lot is I go, okay, I really want to get to that bit of the song there, so I use my trackpad and I'll kind of roughly get it to that point by going along like this. And then when I'm right by where I want it to be, I might be like, okay, I really want to come in where the drop is. So then I'll use my finger here to go to the point where I know it's going to come in. You see? So I'll use those two quite a lot. This will get me to the point of the song where I want to be quickly, and then I can fine tune it with this thing here. So that's the second way you can get fast forward or rewind the song and when you would use it. And the final way that you would fast forward or rewind a song is when you're beat matching. And you've got the one song playing, you've queued up the second song, you've counted the song in and you've pressed play, and the song is playing at the same time as this song, but they're ever so slightly out. So the beat's going da-dum, 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 instead of just going dum, dum, dum. Because remember, beat matching is all about getting that beat to hit at exactly the same time. So if they're slightly out, they'll go da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Now if you think about it, you can't go hitting this then, because that's just going to screw everything up. This would stop the song completely. So you need a way that you can just nudge the song along ever so slightly. So the way you do it is you've got to touch the outside of the decks. Don't touch the top, but you can touch the outside. Now watch on the screen, this gives you a good idea. If you touch the top of the decks, it moves it quickly. If I touch the outside of the decks, it just budges it along ever so slightly like this. So if your song's going da-dum, 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 you can just budge it along until the beat slowly but surely just closing. They'll go da-dum, 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 and you'll hear it happen. If you move it in the wrong direction, you'll hear them go further away. Da-dum, 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 like that, and it'll sound terrible. So you just have to play around with it and move this around until the beats are perfect. And once the beats are absolutely perfect, let's say this one was playing and this one was on silent, Once the beats are perfect, then you can begin to bring this track in, and then you can begin to do all the mixing and everything. Okay, so those are the 3 different ways that you can get the song to where you want. Well, 4 if you include Serato, because you can also grab the track on Serato and move it to wherever you want it to be. So that's 4 ways to fast forward or rewind on DJ decks, and when you would use all of them. I hope this video helped. And if you guys are new to DJing, and you're interested in learning more about it, you can come and check out my course. It's beginnerdjlessons.com. I'll put a link underneath this video, and you can come and I'll teach you everything you need to know, from turning these DJ decks on to knowing exactly how to beat match, exactly how to pick tunes, and every single thing you're going to need to know about DJing. I also give you 2 tracks which are just beat tracks which you can practice with, which will help you hone in on your beat matching skills. It's a really good course, so if you guys are interested, come and check out Beginner DJ Lessons now. Thanks.